Blessed Sunday. I'm finished cleaning. This should be removed because this is growing. This is growing fast. The same like this tree, talisay tree. I'm done cleaning. I sit here if I'm boring. This is going up. There's a lot of flowers. So we're going up now. I bring my cleaning tools. Look at that. There's a lot of flowers here. Okay. So many flowers there. Let's go there. Look. It's very much flower. This is gumamela flowers. Look at the small red. There's so much flower here. It's so beautiful. Look. Nami. And this I don't know different of gabi. I don't know this kind of gabi. Flowers. There. Let's go off. Dami flowers. Much flowers. Blessed Sunday, everyone.